Hi besties, today's recipe is peanut butter soup or groundnut soup. We are going to pair this recipe with kokunte, aka Chris Brown, aka Face the Wall. This is the most delicious Ghanaian delicacy in which you visit any Ghanaian local restaurant to buy kokunte, they will tell you it got finished in the morning. That should tell you how people like kokunte. So it is delicious and easy to prepare. Let's dive into the video. In this recipe, we are going to use chicken for this recipe. You all know how I clean my proteins when it comes to my recipes, right? Okay, so I'm gonna say thank you to all my subscribers, my returnees, everybody. I really appreciate you so much. I love you so much. Keep supporting me. So I'll go ahead and add my chicken spices, okay? Then some all-purpose seasoning, and then I'll add salt to taste. Please go ahead and use your favorite spice, okay? I added garlic and ginger paste. I added a little water, some sliced onion or chopped onions, and then I transfer this onto my stove, okay? So remember, we are using peanuts for this recipe, all right? So go ahead and add a little tomato paste. Guys, after adding the tomato paste, we are going to stir everything till everything is well combined, okay? Just trust the process, okay? I got you. So guys, you are looking for something like this, exactly like this. So we are going to cook it, okay? So when you transfer this onto your stove, make sure you keep stirring, okay? So back to the soup. Smells so nice. Oh my gosh, smells so nice. So at this point, we are going to introduce our vegetables: some onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, and tomatoes, okay? I added wele. It's optional, okay? Just go ahead and use your favorite proteins for this recipe, okay? So the vegetables are ready for blend. So I'm going to blend everything and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I'm adding the blended tomatoes and everything. I'll add a little water, stir, and then let go and check our peanuts, okay? So it is also cooking very, very well, all right? So we are also looking for something like this, okay? So when it's like this, it's fine, it's okay. You can just go ahead and add it to your soup, okay? So just trust the process as I promised you, okay? Just follow the process. So I added some mackerel, okay? In Ghana, we call it salmon. I always say I don't know why. So you can taste for salt at this point and then let it cook, okay? Let it cook till you think it is cooked or it is ready. So just look at our peanut butter. Look, this is giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. Trust me, you can pair this with banku, fufu, anything swallow, or mutu, anything, all right? You can as well take it raw like that. So this is our kokunte. Don't worry, next time I'm gonna show you how to prepare the kokunte step by step, okay? All right, so we added some okra and then some pepper, okay? So this is chop bar vibes. It's calling Ghana local chop bar vibes, right? So you just serve yourself and then just enjoy yourself with your family. Okay, so this is easy as I promised you. It is very easy to prepare, so easy. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please like, share, follow for more, or subscribe for more interesting and amazing videos like this. My name is Dr. Rosie. See you in my next video. Bye.